to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a mask: honey, nutmeg and cinnamon. This mask helps erase scars from the face like blemishes, blackheads, pimples and acne scars. Please, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being a part of my life, and if this is your first time coming across my channel on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe before you leave and also click on the post notification.
So in this container or in this bowl contains 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, dried nutmeg powder. You can also make use of the wet nutmeg, the fresh nutmeg. After which I'm gonna place 2 tablespoons of honey in a separate bowl. And the third ingredient we are going to use for this mask is cinnamon powder. I'll be making use of the cinnamon powder. I'll be adding the cinnamon powder into the bowl containing the nutmeg. They both have the same color, so it's proper, or it's better when I video it right away. After which I will add my honey into the bowl containing the nutmeg and cinnamon powder. Mix them together to form a thick paste. If you find out that the paste is too thick, you can add more honey to the paste to make it fluffy and runny.
To apply it on my face, and that's it. But you can also use the tip of your fingers, okay? That's it. I emptied the whole of the marks on my face. After taking this off your face, wash your face with warm water after 30 minutes. Then apply your moisturizer. This can be your cream, your face cream, coconut oil, almond oil, be it whatever. For the dark skin ladies, you can also use shea butter, coconut oil. Then if you are light, go ahead and use your face cream. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.